Merch by Amazon and your brand. One of the most exciting aspects of Merch by Amazon is that it allows you to build and promote your brand. Your designs and products become a representation of your creativity and style, which can attract a loyal following. This following can lead to long-term success in your business. When building your brand through Merch by Amazon, consider the following strategies. Consistency in design. Maintaining a consistent design style helps your brand recognition. Whether it's a specific color scheme, font, or theme, having a signature look sets you apart. Logo and branding. If you have a logo or a unique brand name, incorporate it into your product designs. It reinforces your brand identity and can lead to brand recall. Social media presence. Promote your Merch by Amazon products on social media platforms. Engage with your audience and share your creative process. Social media is a powerful tool for building a community around your brand. Customer feedback. Pay close attention to customer feedback and use it to improve your products. Customers appreciate when they feel heard, and it can lead to loyal customers. Collaborations. Consider collaborating with other artists or creators to expand your reach. Collaborations often introduce your brand to new audiences. Merch by Amazon in 2023. As of 2023, Merch by Amazon continues to be a competitive and evolving platform. Some key trends and factors to consider include competition. The platform has become increasingly competitive, with more designers and entrepreneurs joining. To stand out, focus on unique and niche designs. International expansion. Merch by Amazon has expanded to several international marketplaces, allowing you to reach customers worldwide. New product types. In addition to t-shirts and hoodies, Merch by Amazon has introduced new product types. This expansion offers opportunities to diversify your product line. Improved tools. Amazon continues to enhance its tools and features for designers and sellers. Stay updated with these tools to optimize your listings. Regulations and policies. Keep an eye on Amazon's policies and guidelines. These may change over time, affecting what you can and cannot do on the platform. The future of Merch by Amazon. Looking forward, the future of Merch by Amazon seems promising. As e-commerce and print-on-demand services continue to grow, opportunities for success on the platform are likely to expand as well. The integration of AI and machine learning into e-commerce platforms like Amazon may lead to more sophisticated marketing and personalization. Moreover, as consumers seek unique and custom products, Merch by Amazon aligns with this trend. Consumers are increasingly interested in supporting independent designers and creators, making this platform more relevant than ever. For those interested in becoming part of Merch by Amazon's future, it's important to keep up with industry trends, continually improve your designs, and adapt to changes in the platform's policies and features. Challenges and pitfalls. While Merch by Amazon offers numerous advantages, it's not without its challenges and potential pitfalls. Design quality. Standing out in a competitive market requires high-quality, unique designs. Poor quality or unoriginal designs may not gain traction. Trademark issues. Be cautious of trademarked content. Using copyrighted material without permission can lead to legal issues. Niche saturation. Some niches may become oversaturated, making it harder to gain visibility and sales. Amazon's control. As a seller on Amazon's platform, you have to adhere to their rules and policies, which can change. This means you may have limited control over certain aspects of your business. Marketing. Success on Merch by Amazon often requires effective marketing. If you're not skilled in this area, you may face challenges. Scaling your Merch by Amazon business. As you gain experience and success on the platform, you may consider scaling your business. Here are some strategies and considerations for scaling your Merch by Amazon operation. Portfolio diversification. Beyond offering a wide range of designs, consider diversifying your portfolio by offering products in various niches. Expanding your product range can attract different customer segments. Outsourcing. As your business grows, you might find it beneficial to outsource certain tasks. This could include hiring designers, marketers, or even a virtual assistant to manage your day-to-day operations. Leveraging print partners. In addition to Merch by Amazon, explore opportunities to work with other print-on-demand services and print partners. This can allow you to extend your reach and offer a more extensive product catalog. Branding and business identity. To scale effectively, maintain a consistent brand identity that customers can recognize and trust. Consider creating a brand logo and a brand color palette that reflects your brand's values. Legal considerations and copyright issues. Navigating the legal aspects of running a Merch by Amazon business is vital. Understanding copyright and trademark issues is essential to avoid potential legal trouble. Trademark research. Regularly check for trademarks to ensure your designs and brand do not infringe on others' intellectual property. Utilize online databases and consult with legal professionals if necessary. Copyright compliance. Respect copyright laws when creating your designs. Use original artwork or licensed materials, and always attribute any resources you use appropriately. Intellectual property rights. Educate yourself about intellectual property rights, including the differences between copyrights, trademarks, and patents. Being aware of these distinctions can help you protect your own creations and respect the rights of others. Continuous learning and skill enhancement. To thrive on Merch by Amazon, it's crucial to embrace continuous learning and skill enhancement. Graphic design skills. If you're not already a proficient designer, consider improving your graphic design skills. Adobe Creative Suite, Canva, and other design tools can be valuable assets. SEO and marketing. Explore SEO, search engine optimization, to enhance the visibility of your product listings. Learn effective marketing strategies to promote your products and drive traffic. Customer engagement. Engage with your customers, seek feedback, and learn from their preferences. Building a positive relationship with your audience can lead to loyal customers and repeat business. Conclusion. Merch by Amazon is a dynamic and evolving platform that offers creative individuals and entrepreneurs a unique opportunity to monetize their talents and build a brand. By focusing on branding, scaling, legal compliance, continuous learning, and community building, you can position yourself for success on this platform.